Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to lock focus on Android camera. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Locking the focus on an Android camera can be useful for ensuring that your camera maintains focus on a specific subject or distance. However, the ability to manually lock focus can vary depending on the camera app and device. Here's a general guide on how you might achieve this. Firstly, launch the manual camera app on your Android device. Go to More, go to Pro, then go to Focus. Make sure the manual has been selected. Once in manual focus mode, tap on the area of the screen where you want to set the focus point. Some apps allow you to adjust the focus by dragging a slider or ring. After setting the focus, let's try the quickest option. Now, go to Camera, then check if there's an option to lock the focus. This might involve tapping and holding the focus point until you see a confirmation that the focus is locked. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.